In this pursuit of advanced weaponry, a new contender has emerged. The JF-17 Block 3. Developed jointly by Pakistan and China, this fighter jet is rapidly gaining attention for its potent capabilities and affordability. Its arrival signals a potential shift in the balance of power, particularly in regions like South Asia and the Middle East. The JF-17 Block 3 is not merely an upgrade. It represents a leap forward in combat aircraft design. It offers a compelling package that challenges the dominance of traditional defense giants. The JF-17 Block 3's growing popularity stems from several factors. Foremost among them is its remarkable value proposition. The jet provides cutting-edge technology at a fraction of the cost of its Western counterparts. This affordability makes it an attractive option for nations looking to modernize their air forces without breaking the bank. Its appeal extends beyond price, however. The JF-17 Block 3 boasts advanced avionics, a versatile weapons payload, and impressive maneuverability. These characteristics, combined with its low operating costs, make it a formidable platform in any modern air force. The emergence of the JF-17 Block 3 on the global stage represents a significant development in the defense industry. Its blend of advanced technology, affordability, and combat effectiveness has garnered interest from numerous countries. As more nations recognize its potential, the JF-17 Block 3 is poised to become a major player in the international arms market. Its impact, however, extends beyond mere sales figures. The jet's proliferation has the potential to reshape regional power dynamics and influence the course of future conflicts. And at the heart of the JF-17 Block 3's capabilities lies a suite of advanced technologies. These advancements elevate the jet from a capable platform to a truly formidable force in modern aerial warfare. Central to its enhanced performance is the Active Electronically Scanned Array AESA radar. This state-of-the-art system grants the JF-17 Block 3 unparalleled situational awareness. It can track multiple targets with high precision, even in heavily jammed environments. The AESA radar enables the jet to detect and engage enemy aircraft from extended ranges, giving it a decisive advantage in beyond visual range combat. Complementing the advanced radar is the JF-17 Block 3's impressive array of weaponry. The jet can carry a variety of air-to-air and air-to-surface missiles, making it a versatile platform for different mission profiles. Among its most potent weapons are the PL-15 Beyond Visual Range air-to-air missiles. These long-range missiles pose a significant threat to enemy aircraft, even those equipped with sophisticated electronic countermeasures. The JF-17 Block 3's ability to carry such advanced weaponry significantly enhances its lethality and expands its operational envelope. Beyond its radar and weapons systems, the JF-17 Block 3 incorporates other notable technological advancements. These include a helmet-mounted display system that provides the pilot with critical flight and targeting information directly in their line of sight. This system enhances situational awareness and allows for faster target acquisition. The jet also features a digital fly-by-wire control system that improves maneuverability and flight stability. These technological advancements, combined with its powerful engine and aerodynamic design, make the JF-17 Block 3 a highly agile and responsive aircraft. The emergence of the JF-17 Block 3 has sent ripples throughout the global defense landscape. Its appeal as a cost-effective yet highly capable fighter jet has attracted interest from numerous nations. Among them, Iran's formal request for the JF-17 Block 3 stands out as a development of significant strategic importance. Iran's interest in the jet is driven by a confluence of factors, including its aging air force, regional security concerns, and the desire to reduce its reliance on foreign suppliers. The potential deal has far-reaching implications for the balance of power in the Middle East. Iran's air force, once a formidable force in the region, has been hampered by decades of sanctions and limited access to modern aircraft. The acquisition of the JF-17 Block 3 would provide Iran with a much-needed capability boost, allowing it to better defend its airspace and project power in the region. The deal also aligns with Iran's strategic goal of reducing its dependence on foreign powers for its defense needs. By acquiring the JF-17 Block 3, Iran seeks to bolster its domestic defense industry and reduce its vulnerability to external pressures. The potential sale of the JF-17 Block 3 to Iran has raised concerns among some Western nations. They fear that the deal could embolden Iran and destabilize the region. However, proponents of the sale argue that it could have the opposite effect. They contend that a stronger Iran could serve as a counterbalance to other regional powers, promoting stability through deterrence. The potential deal highlights the complex geopolitical realities of the Middle East and the challenges of maintaining a balance of power in a volatile region. Section 4. The Turkish Factor navigating complexities in a globalized market. The JF-17 Block 3's journey to the global stage is a testament to the complexities of international defense cooperation. While the jet is a joint venture between Pakistan and China, its development and production involve components and expertise from various countries. Turkey, a NATO member and a significant player in the defense industry, plays a notable role in this intricate web of partnerships. Turkish companies supply critical subsystems for the JF-17 Block 3, highlighting the interconnected nature of the global arms market. Turkey's involvement in the JF-17 Block 3 program stems from its own advanced defense industrial base. Turkish companies have developed expertise in areas such as avionics, electronics, and engine components. Their contributions to the JF-17 Block 3 demonstrate the increasing globalization of the defense sector, where even countries with differing geopolitical interests can collaborate on technological advancements. However, this interconnectedness also introduces complexities, particularly when it comes to export controls and technology transfer. The presence of Turkish components in the JF-17 Block 3 adds another layer to the geopolitical considerations surrounding its export. Turkey's NATO membership and its sometimes strained relationship with other alliance members create a delicate balance. While Turkey has asserted its right to pursue its own defense industrial policies, its involvement in the JF-17 Block 3 program underscores the challenges of navigating the intersection of national interests, alliance commitments, and the global arms trade. Section 5. Expanding footprint. The JF-17 finds new homes around the world. The JF-17 Block 3's appeal extends beyond Iran. Numerous countries across Asia, Africa, and even South America have expressed interest in acquiring the jet. This growing demand reflects a broader trend of nations seeking cost-effective alternatives to expensive Western and Russian fighter jets. The JF-17 Block 3's combination of affordability and advanced capabilities makes it an attractive option for countries looking to modernize their air forces and enhance their defense posture. Among the countries that have already incorporated the JF-17 into their fleets is Nigeria. The Nigerian Air Force has deployed the JF-17 in counter-insurgency operations, showcasing its versatility and effectiveness in a challenging operational environment. Myanmar, facing its own internal security challenges, has also acquired the JF-17 to bolster its air power. These examples demonstrate the jet's adaptability to different operational contexts and its appeal to countries facing a range of security threats. The JF-17 Block 3's expanding footprint reflects a shifting landscape in the global arms market. As more countries prioritize affordability and technological self-reliance, the jet's appeal is likely to grow. Its success challenges the traditional dominance of Western and Russian defense giants and offers developing nations a viable pathway to acquiring advanced military technology. This trend toward greater competition in the defense sector could have far-reaching implications for global security and the balance of power in key regions. Section 6. A new era. The JF-17 Block 3's impact on modern warfare. The JF-17 Block 3's arrival on the global stage marks a pivotal moment in the evolution of modern air combat. Its advanced capabilities, affordability, and growing popularity have the potential to reshape regional power dynamics and influence the course of future conflicts. The jet's emergence highlights the increasing importance of technological innovation and strategic partnerships in maintaining a competitive edge in the ever-evolving world of military aviation. The JF-17 Block 3's impact extends beyond its technical specifications. Its proliferation challenges the long-held notion that only the wealthiest nations can afford to field advanced fighter jets. By providing a cost-effective alternative, The JF-17 Block 3 empowers developing countries to enhance their defense capabilities and assert greater autonomy in their security policies. This shift in the balance of military power could have profound implications for regional stability and the dynamics of international relations. The JF-17 Block 3's story is still being written, but its impact on the future of air combat is undeniable. As more countries adopt the jet and its technology continues to advance, it will undoubtedly play a significant role in shaping the future of aerial warfare.
Join Intel Prime channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.